Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to block a contact in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so of course, first you need to log in your Google account into your Gmail website so that you can access your emails. And then for you to block a user, uh, he or she needs to send you a message first. You need to receive a message from him or her first. So, for example, this one, I'll block myself. So, all you have to do is click this three dots, which is the more, and then click block user. So it will notify you that future messages from this user will be marked as spam, which will be forward that to the spam folder. All the emails that you have received from this specific user will be marked as spam and will be moved to the spam folder. So click block, and there you have it. You have blocked the users, and the new messages from the sender will be sent to spam. So you can access the spam messages here, and all the emails from that specific sender you have blocked will be sent here. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button and the like button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!